If this and this are turned on in your phone, just know that it is already. Your phone number and address are likely in the hands of scammers right now, which will call you from time to time or even visit your apartment with some fake offers. Once hackers break into your phone and get your personal data, your phone number, your home address, your email address, or even your shipping address among others, they sell them to scammers because they are birds of the same feather working together to bring you down in every possible means that they can. These scammers now call you and start extorting money from you. This is why we've always warned that when someone gives you a phone or you buy a fairly used phone, make sure to confirm every settings that I've listed on this channel before using that phone to ensure your private data safety. These two settings might be turned on in your phone right now as I speak. You really don't want your phone number and address littered all over the internet in the hands of strangers ready to take advantage of you. So come with me as we turn off these settings. On your phone, navigate to Chrome browser and click on it. Once it opens up, locate these three dots at the top right corner and click on it. Once this drop down menu pops out, scroll a little bit down and click on settings. Then on this page, scroll up, then click on address and more. It will now lead us to this page. This message over here is like a warning message and it reads, include information like phone numbers, email address and shipping address. Now you can see how dangerous this setting is, because once hackers have access to your phone, it helps them autofill your personal data and export to their own computer, which will now be sold to scammers and telemarketers. You really don't want this to happen to you, so I recommend turn this off. So now after turning that off, click back to go all the way back to your phone's home screen. Then on your home screen, navigate to your settings and tap on it. Then on this search bar, type in contacts. Then select this first option. Once this page pops out, you can scroll all the way up and down to see all the apps that have access to your contacts. But first, let's look at the top here and read the following warning message. It says, apps with this permission can access your contacts. Now go through them one by one to know the one that should have access to your contacts and the ones that should not. On this page on your screen, you can see that they are nicely arranged. The apps at the top all have access to your contacts, while the apps at the bottom doesn't have access to your contacts. When you look closely, you will see WhatsApp, messages, contacts. It is okay for these apps to have access to your contacts, whereas apps like Gmail, Google Play Store, Opera Mini, Chrome browser, and YouTube should not have access to your contacts. Now this is how you should turn them off. To do that, just tap on them one by one and proceed to deny them access. Calendar has nothing to do with our contacts, so just go ahead, tap on calendar. It will now take me to this page, then go ahead and tap on deny. Once this page pops out, you tap on deny anyway. After that, you tap here to go back and continue the process. We tap on Chrome, then tap on deny, then tap here to go back. You do the same for Gmail, then tap deny, then tap here. After it, you go back and do the same for Google Play Store, then go back. After it, you tap here and do the same for Opera Mini. Then after that, you tap here to go back. Repeat also for YouTube app. Now you see that these apps that we just denied access no longer appear among here, but has been moved to the denied list. Still on this page, if you feel that you made a mistake, maybe you still want Gmail to have access to your contacts, just check for it on the denied list, then tap on it, then tap on allow. This moves it back to the allowed list. If you also feel that calendar should have access to your contacts, then repeat the same process as well. Check for it on the denied list and tap on it, then here tap on allow, then tap on back. I also need to state here that if you buy airtime with any of these apps, leave them in the allowed list so that whenever you need to top up, it will be much easier for you. Then after doing all this, click back to go back to your main settings page. Then on this page, scroll down to where you will find Google and tap on it. Then tap on all services. Scroll down to phone number sharing and tap on it. Now this is another message that reads, allow Google to show you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. You really don't want this to happen. You don't want any third-party access to either your phone number or any other phone number in your phone. If a third-party app requests a phone number from you, type it in directly if you need to, because with this feature turned on, you can accidentally give out a number not meant for a third party. So we recommend turn this off. So now at this point, we believe that by following these 3 steps that we just showed you, that you'll be able to keep your phone number and address out of the reach of scammers and hackers. Note that we used an Android 10 Go edition for this demonstration, so the phrases and locations of these settings might be slightly different for other versions of Android. Moreover, just follow the similar steps and you will likely arrive at the same result. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and to see more of this kind of videos, then subscribe to our channel. It is free of charge. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we drop new secrets like this, you will be the first to take advantage of it. You can also share this video to as many people as possible, your friends, your family, or even your enemies as well, because you can just be saving the next person from the hands of hackers and scammers. If your phone was gifted to you, or you bought a fairly used phone, and in such does not know if this feature was previously turned on by the previous owner, then just watch this next video to know how to fix that. You really don't want to leave anything to chance. You need to be 100% safe online. So go ahead and watch it. I'll see you there.